nature. I have to do this. For me, my healing took place, began, continued by my opening myself up to nature. I just sat at my window and looked out at nature. Peace, wisdom flowed from that.
And I remember years ago, actually, when I was in an apartment that had no particular beauty around, just other buildings.
Yes.
I went out and found myself a huge picture of the ocean,
Oh gosh, yes.
of the waves flowing in.
Yes.
And I put that on my wall.
Yes. Oh gosh.
And I just sat on the couch and looked at it.
And looked at
And I would be transported.
Yes.
I would find that place. I'd be there on that ocean.
Yes.
Be there on the shore watching. So
It's possible.
it's possible to find peace in many places, but we have to understand first the importance of letting go of the raging, roiling waters. Somewhere within ourselves, we have to say, I need peace.